One of the first things a vacation rental owner finds out is that running a vacation rental successfully is at least a part-time job. With late-night questions from guests, maintenance problems, paperwork, and other issues, many owners realize the benefit of getting a manager for their vacation rental. Traditional property managers are normally real estate agents who make most of their money selling homes and just handle the vacation rentals on the side. But Rental Advisor is different. Vacation rentals are all we do. Through data-driven innovation, technology, and experience with vacation rentals of all types, Rental Advisor has exclusively ran successful vacation rentals for nearly a decade. And, unlike other managers, we are so confident in our ability to satisfy our clients that we don't put you in a long-term contract. You can cancel anytime. Our goal is to provide you with a headache-free income stream and a property that is always clean, cared for, and ready for you and your loved ones. It's simple. Rental Advisor provides you with less headaches and more revenue.